Introducing Sanipit 24GR, your ideal retrofit grinder pump kit. Easily upgrade your sewage ejector pump. It features a powerful 1 HP motor with a stainless steel grinder blade able to pump up to 25 feet. Perfect for both residential and commercial applications. It is extremely reliable, diminishing future issues and providing peace of mind. The Sanipit 24GR's pre-assembled design fits seamlessly into most 24-inch basin. Installation is a breeze. Simply drop in and bolt it down. Attach the vent and the discharge pipe and set up the control panel and alarm box. It's that easy. The pump is IP68 rated, ensuring durability, and has a fail-proof air pressure switch system with triple redundancy. The dry cavity pit design ensures a complete white glove service, also featuring a tight seal that eliminates odor. For maintenance, there's easy access to all major internal components. Also available, Sanipit 24GR-CB, the complete package version. Sanipit 24GR and 24GR-CB, the ideal 1 HP grinder sewage pump for replacement or new installations. Brought to you by SFA Saniflow, a global leader in innovative plumbing solutions.